Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Angga Robin Salafi, NPM 234111012 from class management 23C. Here I will explain material regarding linear function and their application to fulfill assessment in the business mathematical course with the lecturer Mr. Ade Chandra SMMM from University Teknokrat Indonesia. Okay, next the point 1, definition of linear function and their application. Linear function and their application discover the power of the linear function and their application in the various fields. Explore their calculation method and advantage. A linear function is a type of mathematical function that has linear properties, where the relationship between the input and output is the linear and can be represented by straight line the Euclidean space. Linear functions generally have two variables, namely one the input and the one output. A linear function is a mathematical function and has linear properties. Its graph is a straight line and usually has two variables, one as input and the one as output. Okay, next the point 2, understanding linear function. Definition. Point 1, linear. What a linear function is and how it relates to a straight line with the constant rate of change. 2.2, calculation. Deep in the process of calculating linear function using the slope intercept from or the point slope from. 3, real world expense. Explore practical application of linear function in the daily life, such as distance, time, relationship, and the line growth. Next, point 3, advantage and limitation. Advantage. Discover the benefit of using linear function, including simplicity, predictability, and easy interpretation. Limitation. Recognize the limitation of the linear function, such as their inability to model complex relationship or non-linear phenomena. Next, go to the point of the 4, linear function in business. Sales projection. Linear how business utilize linear function to forecast future sales and predict market trends. Cost analysis. Explore how linear function help business analyze cost and determine optimal pricing strategies. 3, market demand. Discover how linear function assists in the understanding consumer demand and the formulating effective market campaigns. Yes, next, 6, linear function in the statistics. Regression analysis. Explore how linear functions are used in regression analysis to examine relationship between variable. Trend analysis learn how linear function help statistics identify trend and patterns in collect data. Jadi, forecasting discover how linear function assist statisticians in the predicting future outcomes based on the historical trends. Okay, yes, the next and the point of the last conclusion and summary. Sum up your understanding of the linear function and their application across various fields, reiterating their benefit and limitation. A linear function in a mathematical context in the as type of the mathematical function that has the following properties. Okay, linear properties. Linear function obey linear properties, which means if you have two inputs, or usually called an x and y, and to output usually called f in x and f into 2 and g, then this function will satisfy the following expression: f, I, x, and b and g are f, x, b, v, and g, where a and the b are constant and f of x and f and g are function values for the input x and y. Straight graph line. The graph of the linear function is a straight line in the Euclidean space. This means the relationship between the input and the output linear. So if you graph it, you will see a straight line. The variables line function to have to one input and one as output. For example, fx I x b in the expression of the linear function where x is the input, fx is the output, and I and b are the constant. Okay, my friend, maybe that's all I can say about linear function and their application. If there are wrong words from me or my word hurt my colleagues, I apologize and ask Allah for giving us. And for friends who want to ask question, please leave a comment below. Okay, that's enough for me and I am it. Wallahul muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.